don't think it's menopause. I'm pretty sure it's still too early for that. But I'm sweating. I sweat a great deal, a tremendous amount. It's already been difficult for me to continue to wear actual clothing in the world because I don't have anywhere I need to be most of the time. So the point of this telling is because I haven't fully buttoned or tucked in the shirt because it's like, why? You know, I'm just sweating all over it. But I'll tell you why, and I'll do it. I'll do it. You know what? I'll do it for you. Here's why. Okay, here's why. Because this shirt, it's a blouse, I guess. Liz Claiborne. Liz. You know, Liz. You know the one. So, let's go over here. It's more private. Just sweating tremendously. I don't know what that's about. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to wear a wig for the next. All right, we gotta go all the way here. All the way. Ugh, it's like so annoying to be a sweaty person with, like, you know, really special, peaked, specific, not season inspired fashion sense, you know, so that's hard. It's hard for me. I mean, so anyways, this shirt, this blouse, pardon me, is oh shit, okay. All right. Got this bit of texture to the fabric, this like drop, kind of mutton sleeved. So it makes me angry because this was for sale for, oh shit, for a really long time on the internet. My description was like Edwardian Western, you know, meets Liz Claiborne. Which is exactly what it is, you know. I mean, I don't know when this style was in, but it's a fantastic blouse, you know. And then, you know, beyond that is a fantastic pair of pants. It's like, you want to say pumpkin, you know, but it's really more like kind of like that baby barf or shit, whatever it is. It's a different color. But I can't wear clothes because I'm sweaty. I can just kind of wear clothes. Also, other things I've been considering are this. It's been surprisingly difficult to wear hats with a shaved head, you know? They don't really fit. These are glasses that my dad got for my boyfriend. Just out of the blue, like just hit vipers, just decided to get those. He told me that he met a kid, or his friend have a kid, whatever, that was like, he's about to go into high school, which I guess is what, like 15, 14, I don't know. And it really piqued my interest because I love to ask people questions. I want to start a new endeavor that will help me make friends, in which I get to ask questions to people. And hopefully they will just tell me everything. But the like number one, like peak, like ultimate dream guest on said whatever blog, podcast, whatever you have to do these days, is a teenager, you know? Like, I want to know. I so badly want to know what's going on. What are they thinking about? And that's the thing about them, though. It's so annoying. And I can't help but to wonder. I don't know if I don't remember if I was this way. I doubt it, though. But, like, where they don't tell you anything. And they're just like, well, boys are definitely monosyllabic. Like, not going to tell you shit. And they act, it's so funny because Mikers has got a nephew. Sorry, I'm plugging something in over here. A nephew that's what, like, 14, I think. No, 16. He just got his driver's license, failed the first time. But, you know, and at Christmas he was wearing, like, you know, kind of like baggy Jenko type jeans. Not quite Jenko, but they were, like, cut off, you know, frayed at the bottom to a certain level, and his hair, and he had, like, a cross. I mean, specific style choices is my point, you know. He was wearing clothes. People that age wear things for a reason. And, but when I asked the reasons he couldn't, he was like, you know, couldn't really give them to me until I asked, like, really specific questions. Like, your pants are cut to a really specific length, you know, like, did you do that? I mean, whose idea was that? And then they kind of answer, you know, and we were talking about music, and he was just like, with rap, of course, is all any of them get listened to. And then, but then he had to break it down. He's like, well, do you like, you know, hip hop or like trap? And I was like, trap, but like, I don't know what we're talking about now. Like, how are we breaking down? He seemed much more interested in me and my questions after that, though. But anyways, the coveted interview with a teenager, you know. Oh, and then, I don't know, we're gonna have to keep it in third person, not correct names, but let's say I know someone who is friends with the parents of a 13-year-old boy and an 11-year-old girl. I just wait for the news, and if there's any update on either of them and their situations or what's going on, I want to know. Yeah, that's was a random tangent. Oh, it was because the sunglasses my dad saw them on a teenager, and he asked him, like, hey, where'd you get those glasses? And the kid said he paid $95 for them. And they say Pit Viper, you know, and they're like just like 80s, like ski goggle style. But I was like, you know, a teenager? Can I get access to that teenager? Anyways, if you know any teenagers, if you are a teenager and you want to talk to me, I've got a new project. It's gonna be pretty cool. Let me interview you. That would be rad. I'm sweating, you know, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and probably come back with something else. Talk to you about some arts and crafts I've been making, you know. But like, let's really talk about it, man. Okay. So, oops, oh shit. In the meantime, sorry, but you've gotta come along for the ride. And are you here? Are you ride or you die or what? Nobody's ride or die. They say that, and that's not true. Nobody does that. Nobody rides or dies. No one's loyal. No loyalty. I'm pretty loyal. But you could test me on that if you wanted to. Maybe I'm lying to myself.